Hey guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU. Today I am going to do a front bumper install, not on my Wrangler and not on my daughter's Jeep, but I'm going to do it on my son's Jeep TJ. So I'm going to organize, get the Jeeps out of here, get his in, and then we'll go through and take a look at this. I'm pretty excited. His bumper right now is really rusted out, so this will definitely be a nice upgrade. And it's Oedro, and yeah, let's check it out. Alright guys, I got the bumper out. It looks really good. It's nice. I unscrewed these things right here because I'm going to paint those. My son's Jeep is green, so I'm going to paint those green. A little dirty there. This is the top. You can put some lights on the top. And I'm assuming it goes like this. And he's also got room for his license plate. This is the hardware. I believe this is like a flip top license plate. We'll see how that goes. And then his hardware, and then some brackets. Yeah, so when he gets here, we'll throw it on. He's got a winch, so we'll have to move the winch. Alright guys, got the Jeep in the garage, so first thing we're going to do is disconnect the battery because we're going to do it with his winch, and it's just better that way. And then disconnect some of the lights. Yeah, take the bumper off, throw the new one on, be good to go. Ready? Go straight. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's still connected somewhere. Where is it connected? Oh, the bottom. The torch switch. Alright guys, bumpers on. I think it looks really good. Painted these green. Put on some new lights here. Yeah, looks good. Pretty straightforward install. Let me show you underneath. You can see right here, star drill, the torque drill, and then these two bolts. I had to grind this one right here just to get it to fit. But overall, it's solid. This is solid. Yeah, I think it's really good. I'm happy with it. Check it out. I'm gonna go drive to do some video with it, but Oedro, check them out, Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. And yeah, awesome guys. Please subscribe.